Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where it's a cool day for the Western and Eastern Cape, but things starting to dry out and warm up over the western part of South Africa as we head towards the weekend, and then thunder showers return to the northeastern part of South Africa from Thursday. You'll see a cold front over the eastern part of the country on Wednesday, and that brings in cooler weather and a few drops of rainfall for KwaZulu-Natal. You'll also see a low moving through the Indian Ocean with a cold front attached to that, bringing in showers mainly for the Eastern Cape. We're also forecasting evening thunder showers over the extreme northeastern part of South Africa on Wednesday, with the possibility of snow over the Lesotho mountain tops on Wednesday night, but with fine and dry weather as we head further inland. On Thursday, we can still expect some cloud, but with a dry forecast over the southern part of the country, with a chance of rain along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast, spreading all the way through to the Lowveld. Thunder showers are forecast over the northeastern interior, with the possibility of thunder showers reaching the central interior on Thursday night. Fine and dry as we head further west, with warmer conditions expected over the western part of South Africa. Here's our rainfall probability map with a 40% chance of rainfall over the southern and southeastern part of the country, with a chance of rain in KwaZulu-Natal and thunder showers for the Mpumalanga and Limpopo Lowveld. It's a windy Wednesday along the Eastern Cape coast with a strong southwesterly wind. You'll see more of a moderate southerly onshore breeze for Richards Bay, with light winds over South Africa's interior and moderate wind speeds over the eastern Free State. Things stay warm in the northeast with a high of 27 for Polokwane. We head into the mid-20s for Gauteng and Mahikeng. A high of around 20 degrees is expected for Kimberley and Bloemfontein, and we keep in the low 20s as we head towards the KwaZulu-Natal coast. Cool over the southern parts though, with highs in the middle and upper teens. Cape Town returns to 20 degrees. Overnight, chilly conditions are expected over the interior, with many minimum temperatures still dropping into the single digits. 2 as we head into De Aar, Kimberley and Bloemfontein at 3 degrees, and 3 degrees below zero for Sutherland. 11 as we head into Cape Town and Pietermaritzburg, 14 for Mbombela, 6 for Johannesburg and Mahikeng, and 12 degrees for Polokwane as well as along the Eastern Cape coast. On Thursday, we're expecting sunny and dry weather over the western parts, with the possibility of rain mainly along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast, as well as over the extreme northeastern parts, with thunder showers and cooler weather for Gauteng. And then on Friday, you'll see that real cooling in the northeast. 16 and 18 for Johannesburg and Pretoria, both with the possibility of thunder showers. We're also forecasting some drizzle for Richards Bay and Mbombela, but with sunny and warm weather over the western parts. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.